Solution presents Spirit Seeking with Pratick.
Hi everybody and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick. In this episode, we shall be speaking about chakras. What are chakras? One needs to understand. See, the human body, the most important parts in a human body are deemed to be the brain and the spinal cord. The brain, because everybody knows what the brain does for you, and the spinal cord because all the nerves, they either spread out from the spinal cord or they merge into the spinal cord. And when they merge into the spinal cord, they form a pool, a hub of nerves. Now the accumulation of the nerves create a vortex in and around the spinal cord. These vortex are spinning small tornadoes of energy, and they're primarily very strong in 7 parts of the spinal nerve, which also includes the brain. So all of these energies, all of these nerves, they accumulate, they form a lot of activity, neuron activity around the spinal cord. And that's where the chakras are formed. Now, depending upon the position of the chakra, they defined various characteristics and properties of your life. For example, the first chakra is the root chakra, which is connected to the physical body. The second chakra is connected to the etheric body, and on it goes. And similarly, the last chakra is connected to the conscious body, the superconscious body, or say the existential force. Having a deep understanding of the chakras gives you power over your life. For example, the root chakra, which is at the base of your spine, it's spinning at the base of your spine, is connected to the physical body. And there's also the chakra which is directly related to survival, safety, right? So when you strengthen this chakra, you become more strong in the material world. Similarly, as you move upwards, if you strengthen your crown chakra, which is right above your head, it strengthens your connection with the cosmic energy. There are different bodies connected to different chakras, which we shall be speaking about more in the next videos to come. This is an interesting topic, and everybody has their own subjective view on the chakras, whereas some experts know specifically how they function. There are people who can strengthen your chakra just by placing their hands upon your chakras, or there are people who just identify how weak or strong your chakras are. It's a very interesting topic, the chakras. The more you dwell into it, the more secrets and the more interesting facts you find. And I don't think anybody can demystify the chakras completely and fully. But let's try it together. You give us your knowledge and we will share ours, and let's see if we can come to common conclusions. And it is okay to disagree. If you like whatever is happening here, please feel free to press that like button and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like these. We will make sure that we will update you more interesting spiritual videos. Until next time.